Thinking of cutting the cord on separate heater and AC systems? Check out our through-the-wall heat pumps. These clever units install right through your wall, giving you efficient heating and cooling in one compact package, with no ductwork required. They work by transferring heat instead of generating it, so you can get up to 300% efficiency, meaning big comfort with way less energy use. Plus, they're space smart, keeping your interiors sleek and your exterior neat. Perfect for apartments, kitchens, or offices where a full central system isn't practical. Upgrade to clean, year-round comfort. Explore our selection of through-the-wall heat pumps today and heat smart. Live smarter. Like this video and subscribe for more tips on smart, efficient home heating solutions.